Well, looks like the team at closing bell has been the good luck charm. We've seen a good recovery from the day's low. The Nifty is back above that 20-day MA, and a few stocks have done pretty well. So you have ITC that's moved to the high point of the day. IndusInd Bank as well has seen a bit of a fight back. And Bharti Airtel, they are the top three gainers in the last 10 minutes or so. And all the three charts tell you there is a bit of a fight back that's on the cards. And ITC would be, contributing bulk of it because of its weightage. But it's a good time to move to our special segment, D-Street Chatter. Nimesh is with us. Nimesh, looking forward to the weekend. It's been a very, very tiring week. But tell us, what are you picking up in terms of dealing rooms?
Hi, Nigel. So I spoke to a lot of people on why there was such a sharp cut of 150, 170 points. No specific reasons, but a couple of feedbacks. One, looks like there is a bit of profit booking. Maybe it's just a weekend phenomena, and that's playing out in many of the so-called momentum stocks of the last many days. So that's something to watch out for. Also, there is a buzz of a basket selling at a leading FI desk. So no confirmation of that, but that's what's been talked about in the dealing room. So maybe the FI number could probably suggest if indeed there was a big basket selling at an FI desk. I guess what's led to the downfall is the technology names. After a surprise, negative indication from HCL Tech, it dragged the entire IT basket down, and that's put a large pressure on the indices as well. So that's something to watch out. I guess the overall feedback is there is MOC flows towards the end, but they are mixed flows, especially in the large cap names. So that will probably add a bit to the FI numbers as well, what we are going to see towards the end of the day. So that's something to watch out. As I said, there is a bit of profit booking tendency, and that's playing out in the PSU bank stocks and the small private bank stocks. There's been a huge run up in the last many days, and today there is a bit of a cool off on those stocks. So purely looks like it's profit booking out of the weekend. So no specific reason for India to underperform so much, but I guess it's largely profit booking or some bit of caution out there from some investors, and hence you're seeing a big downtrend take in Indian markets today.
Well, indeed, Nimesh, it appears there's some money taken off the tail, particularly on the kind of gains you made on the PSU banks, and particularly the mid and the smaller banks. But good to see Bank Nifty is still in the green. So it appears the larger banks are getting the money.
True.
But tell us about those stocks that you're picking up. What's the news?
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Poonawalla Finance. That stock in a weak market is buzzing in trade up to 2% last when I checked, and good volumes as well. And there is an indication that there is going to be a large corporate development in Poonawalla Finance very soon. In fact, the indication is that maybe they will monetize some assets and raise some funds. So that's something to watch out as far as that stock is concerned. The second stock is Aarti Industries. While the overall markets are down today, Aarti Industries stands out and it's under pressure as well, because the indication was there is a large sell-off at a leading FI desk in that particular stock. The delivery volumes are expected to be quite high in that stock today. And the last stock is Fusion Microfinance, a recent listing. That stock has been consolidating in a very narrow range in the last few days. Under pressure today, down to 1%. But the indication is that the anchor lock-in, the small portion of that will get released on Monday. So maybe on Monday you'll see some bit of pressure on that stock. So that's under pressure, largely in anticipation of anchor opening up on Monday in Fusion Finance.
Hey, that's an interesting list as always, Nimesh. Thanks very much for that.